Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm changing out the engine air filter on a 2004 Toyota Camry. This is the air filter I will be replacing it with. You can pick this up at Amazon, Walmart, any auto parts store. There are two 10mm bolts holding the airbox in place here. There's one here and one directly behind it. This one is missing, so we're going to take out this bolt, and if your bolt is in on the other side, take that out as well. You just need a 10mm socket. Okay, this bolt is loosened up. You just want to lift it up, the box. There are two hinges on the other side, and you just kind of pop it out, and this way you can get the air filter out. It's fairly dirty. Once you get the air filter out, you want to kind of inspect the inside to see if there's any debris. There's a little bit right there I'll get out with my hand, but if you have a lot, you just use a vacuum just to suck it out real quick. Just do a visual inspection of the new filter, make sure it's the same type you're taking out, and this matches up, so we'll put this in. Okay, now we're going to put the new air filter in. Lines up perfectly. You just want to make sure you line up these two hinges here before you bolt it down in place. And the last step is just tighten down your bolts. And that'll basically do it. You want to switch this out at least once a year or every 10 to 12,000 miles. This way it assures you have clean airflow into your engine. If this video helped you out, I hope it did. Kindly give a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.